Raising your credit score instantly and choosing the right credit card goes hand in hand. Stick with this video and I will tell you what credit cards to choose and what credit cards to stay away from.
Hey, do I have something to tell you?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Blah, 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 yap, yap, yap.
Settle down.
Raising your credit score instantly and choosing the right credit card go hand in hand because the right credit card can provide opportunities to build credit quickly while maintaining healthy financial habits. Credit cards impact major factors of your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and the age of your accounts. When you choose a card that aligns with your financial needs and credit profile, you can use it strategically to boost your score. For instance, secured credit cards or cards designed for building credit allow individuals with low scores to establish a positive payment history, which is the most significant factor in credit scoring. Watch out for the upcoming video, where I share with you the right and safe way to build your credit and what cards to choose, so your time and efforts isn't wasted. Using a credit card responsibly is one of the fastest ways to improve your credit score. Paying your bill on time every month ensures that your payment history remains strong, positively influencing your score. Additionally, keeping your credit utilization low, meaning you only use a small percentage of your available credit, can provide an instant boost. Some credit cards offer features like automatic credit limit increases, which help lower utilization and improve your score without extra effort. Choosing a card with no annual rates or hidden costs can also prevent unnecessary debt accumulation, allowing you to manage credit more effectively. The right credit card can also help by reporting to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Some cards, particularly those designed for credit building, ensure that your responsible usage is reflected on your credit report, leading to faster improvements. Additionally, some issuers provide free credit monitoring tools, allowing you to track your progress and make informed financial decisions. By selecting a card with these benefits, you can stay on top of your credit score and make adjustments as needed to keep improving. If you choose the wrong credit card, however, it can work against you. High interest rates and unclear terms can lead to financial stress, making it harder to maintain a good payment history. Some cards are designed for rewards rather than credit building, meaning they may not provide the credit limit flexibility or low utilization benefits necessary for an instant score boost. Understanding the terms of the card before applying ensures that you are choosing one that supports your credit building goals rather than hindering them. Another way the right credit card helps improve your score instantly is through perks like credit limit increases and balance transfer options. I will get into balance transfer options, how to use it effectively, and how it benefits your credit score in another video. Some credit card companies automatically increase your credit limit after a few months of responsible usage, which can reduce your credit utilization ratio and give your score an immediate lift. Credit mix is another factor that plays a role in your credit score, and the right credit card can help diversify your credit profile. Having different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment credit, like Affirm, and retail accounts, can positively impact your score. Just make sure these companies are reporting to all three credit bureaus. If you currently lack revolving credit, getting a credit card and using it responsibly can demonstrate your ability to manage different types of credit, contributing to a higher score over time. Some credit cards also provide credit building programs that offer personalized tips and tools to help you manage your credit more effectively. Cards from certain issuers may include features like automatic payments, flexible due dates, and spending insights that encourage better financial habits. These tools can help you build a strong credit foundation while avoiding pitfalls that could damage your score. By selecting a card with these advantages, you set yourself up for long-term financial success. Raising your credit score and choosing the right credit card is not just about short-term gains, but also about maintaining financial health for years to come. By understanding the role credit cards play in your credit score, making informed choices, and practicing responsible financial habits, you can ensure continuous credit growth. Selecting a card that supports your financial objectives while avoiding unnecessary risks will put you on the path to lasting creditworthiness and financial stability. As much as everybody is telling you to become an authorized user to up your credit score fast, you don't want to do this. You want to build your credit and raise your credit score on your own merit. It sounds like a good idea at first, but anything that happens with that card is going to be reflected in your credit report. You can get the same results by following the information that's coming up next. Choosing the right credit cards. The key to raising your credit score fast is choosing the right credit card. You want to choose a credit card that has the option to request a credit limit increase. Rewards are not what they are cracked up to be. Before you consider signing up with a credit card company, you need to call and ask if there is an option on the web page that allows you to request a credit line increase. If the answer is no, do not sign up with this company. Imagine, if you have 4 credit cards that approve your request for credit line increases, your credit score can go up 100 points or more within a few days. These are the things you need to do. Number 1, make sure you put on the application your annual income is at least $63,000 to start, unless you make more. Every time you update your income, add an extra $1,800 to $2,300. Keep a worksheet on hand to keep up with the numbers. Never put on the application that part of your money comes from child support. Wait 1 year after receiving the card before you request a credit line increase. Pay on the card every payday. This keeps interest down and shows the credit card company you are serious about keeping your finances under control. Have a zero balance or close to it before requesting a credit line increase. These are some of the credit cards that have the option for credit limit increases. Discover Myers, Lowe's, and Sears, just to name a few. Timing is everything. Don't ask for a credit line increase from all your cards at the same time. Wait a week before you request an increase on the next card. Request between $1,000 and $1,500, sometimes with your annual income being higher and the bank want you to spend more, they will give you a higher increase than you are asking for. Never choose a card that does not have the option to request a credit line increase. These cards will not be helpful to you or your credit in the future. Never choose a card based on the rewards. There are no amount of rewards that will cover the debt of a card with former charges on it. These types of cards invoke spending and are not beneficial to your credit score or financial health. Note to you, the biggest boost you will ever get on your credit report is from a credit line increase and making the last payment on the card. With paying off balances and requesting credit line increases, your credit score is going to go up fast. You can end up with a 200-point boost on your credit report. And please stop believing the hype about instantly raising your credit score through authorized users. You want to achieve a higher credit score based on your own merits. There are some downsides to being an authorized user. It doesn't matter how good the other person's credit is. 1. Credit reporting agencies are funny. Your credit score can decrease with too many of the same type of cards on your credit report. Also, having most of your credit cards with low limits and one credit card with an extremely high limit looks suspicious when trying to buy a high-ticket item. 2. Every time the other person uses that card, the information goes on your credit report as if you used the card, and your credit score will go down. Anything that happens with that card will go on your credit report. If you are trying to build credit, don't do anything until you watch the upcoming video. You don't want to get into a low credit limit slum. If you're thinking about filing Chapter 7, watch the Filing Chapter 7 and the Raise Your Credit Score to 850 after you file Chapter 7 videos, or you can click on the links in the description box below. If you want more helpful financial tidbits, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on helpful information. Let's work together to live better and always, thank you for watching.